Dirty duck, loves the head chops. Today we're in the bottle workshop and it's a disaster zone. What perfect time to do a video when you've got a disaster zone going on. Today's video is to help you guys and girls out there if you've had this happen to you. Cutting disc grabs and then you go to lock the button and undo it, but then this button smashes off, right? So I'm gonna show you a way of which may help you if you get into this situation. So first off, we'll lower the camera so you can see what the hell is going on. So we've already tried using the spanner on it and it just broke. I should have just not even bothered. I didn't realise how tight it was. Old mate was going to throw it in the bin, and I says, no, I'll give it to me and I'll fix it for you. Right, so you chop the rest of that blade off, and that blade looks like something like this when it originally starts out. It's very thin. It's only about 1.5, something thick. Okay, and how that happens with these getting broken off is you're cutting through something and you're not holding it properly, like you're freehanding it, and then whatever you're cutting comes down and jams the blade, and then the motion of the grinder tightens this nut to a point where you supposedly can't get it undone. So, and I just thought, God, I'll just do a quick video on how. Don't do them up too tight in the vise, right? Because this is aluminium and it'll just crush it and smash it. But basically do what I just did there. Get your cutters, cut off the excess, and then you're looking for Phillips. Go in here, undo this bolt. That'll remove the guard, and then you need a pair of vice grips. That'll give you the ability, should give you the ability to get your vice grips in there to grab that, right? Get it tight. Make sure we're not grabbing the top disc, we're just grabbing the bottom disc, yeah? And then, watch this, the spanner will probably F out now. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom, yeah? Just like that. It's a winner. So this one here, because the button is smashed off, it's either smashed off or it's bent, then this button here is smashed off or it's bent. You got to clean this up around here, undo these 4 bolts, let's say again, I'll do it again because I'm not watching, I've got to do it through the camera. Right, so you undo these 4 bolts here, make sure this is clean, give it a good clean round, and then that will come out of there, and then it's a simple case to fish for this broken bit what's in the gearbox. Pull it out and then put it back together, and Bob's your uncle. If you don't check that this if you don't check that this thing is, because it's not moving, you see, so it may have just bent, right? If it's just bent, we might be able to straighten it, but more oftenly enough, the other bit drops off and it falls into the gearbox, and if you don't remove it, it'll get between the two gears and inside there and jam it up. Anyway, hope this is helpful.